Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use and open your cPanel at Hostinger. So I'm not currently having a cPanel. As you can see, you need to purchase the cPanel hosting plan at Hostinger, and it is managed on your hPanel, which I can actually show you. But basically, when you are on the home page on your Hostinger, right here, you will see, instead of hosting like business web hosting, you're going to see cPanel if you have purchased it. And then you can actually manage it just like this one, this hosting. Then after that, you're going to go onto your dashboard when you click manage, and you will see that you can log into the cPanel dashboard and access all of these features. Also, there's option 2 is actually to use a cPanel direct URL. So when you click manage, you're gonna see this general information. So when you will be on your when you will click that manage button, you're gonna just see all the details right here on your hosting website details. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.